school may have its own unique deadlines for particular programs or scholarships, but in general, November is not too late. I think ideally, for any cycle, you want to ideally be done with the LSAT by November, because if you take it in January and apply that cycle, there might be less scholarship money available for that application cycle. There may be some disadvantage there, but it's worth taking it later if you can get a better score. Even a single point more makes it worth retaking if you think you could do better. And retaking is usually a good idea if you haven't taken it too many times yet, because let's say that your true aptitude right now is a 160. You might get 160 in September, then get 163 or 164 in October just through luck alone. And that could open far more doors for you than a 160 would. There's a margin of error or a score band of 3.5 points on either end. Meaning you get a 160 one day, 163 the other day, 157 the following day, just by randomness. But if you're retaking, especially September to October to November, there's only a 4 to 5 week gap in between those test dates. And so all you've got to do is stay fresh on the LSAT for another 4 to 5 weeks, maybe doing one exam a week plus detailed review of that exam. And then if you improve your understanding as well with those extra weeks, you could do even better than 3 to 4 points higher. And if you don't, no big deal. Law schools do not average multiple scores. They only take the highest. So in my opinion, worth retaking if you can. And so if you've got to push from November to January, it's worth doing so if you could do better, even if it means you're applying a little bit later. Law school is rolling admissions, but applying early matters much less than it used to due to the recent significant decline in the number of people applying to law schools. Law schools are waitlisting and deferring more and more applicants than ever before because they want to see who else is coming along. And so January is not ideal, but it's also not too late. Ideally, though, you would take it in November and be done by then. If you're taking it in March or April, definitely I'd say wait till the following cycle, unless you have some severe reason why you have to start law school that fall, which I think is probably not the case for most people.